Today we are making my favorite chewy macaroon recipe. To begin, in a medium bowl, place 1 1/3 cup of shredded sweetened coconut along with 2 tablespoons of white sugar. If you're using unsweetened coconut, add an additional 3 tablespoons of white sugar so that you have a nice sweetness to your macaroon. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and as always, the full recipe and all of these instructions can also be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. Next, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground sea salt. There isn't a lot of liquid in this recipe, so you want to make sure that it's nice and fine. Next, I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, as well as 2 large room temperature egg whites. Now I'm going to use a large wooden spoon. You could also use a spatula. I'm going to mix this until it's nice and uniform, both in texture and in color. I like to use a 3/4 tablespoon cookie scoop and drop these onto parchment-lined cookie sheets. If you don't have one of these scoops, you could also just drop them by the rounded teaspoon. This recipe makes 12 macaroons, but feel free to double it if you need a larger recipe. My oven is preheated to 325 Fahrenheit or about 160 Celsius, and these are going to bake for 15 to 18 minutes. You'll want to take them out as soon as the bottoms and the tops have that toasted coconut. Let them cool in the pan for a moment before moving to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These have a really wonderful and lovely texture. They're crispy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would subscribe and let me know down below if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching.